Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys this Slime World slime kits. They're made by Sambro. We have a DIY mermaid slime and a DIY glow in the dark slime. I have not done these slime kits, like shop bought slime kits, in a really long time, so I'm super excited about this one. So let's go ahead with number one. This is our Slime World glow in the dark slime. It includes reusable container, glow in the dark slime of 80 grams, some foam balls, googly eyes, and pink shredded paper. So let's go ahead and rip this right open. Yay! I'm gonna pop you guys down so you can see what we're doing. So let's go ahead and take out our contents. So we have this big, massive ball of pastel colored foam beads. Really pretty. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we have a pack of sparkly iridescent pink shredded paper. We have our googly eyes. Lots of different sizes. Can you hear them giggle? Really nice. And this glow in the dark slime. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to test the glow in the darkness of this slime because it is daylight. And I didn't leave this anywhere light overnight. So, but we're still going to have some fun, right? So let's open this slime and see. Wow, this is really nice shop bought slime. Wow. Let's get it all out. We want everything. We want it all off the lid. Guys, okay, so my first impressions are this slime is a little sticky. That for me is probably okay because we're going to put in add-ins. But it does have some nice clicks. Wow. Okay, let's spread out our slime and see what we can put in it. I think some googly eyes. Let's just pop some googly eyes in. All our googly eyes. Let's pop in our shredded paper. These bags are super difficult to get open, and I didn't really help by doing that, but let's get out all of our shredded paper. And let's put in, I don't think we're going to put the whole bag of these in because I don't think there's enough capacity in our slime to take them all, but let's put in a decent amount. Okay, that's nearly the whole bag anyway. Close it up and let's mix. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Let's mix it all in. Can you see the googly eyes? You can still hear them jiggle. Let's get up all of our little add-ins that have gone slightly rogue. We're losing our googly eyes. So guys, I have mixed this as much as I possibly can. And this is our glow in the dark slime. It's got shimmer, it's got stretch, it's got crunch from the foam beads. It has that gorgeous iridescent color. I really liked this slime when we started the video. However, it has become a little tough once the add-ins have been put in, but it is still a lot of fun. We'll just try and clean this little mess up a little bit. We don't want these to get mixed up in our mermaid slime. There we go. We've got all our little add-ins, most of them. And then you can put this back in your container. Just pop it in. Make sure that we've got all of the add-ins off my hands. And then seal that right up and play with it again. That's pretty cool. But I am excited for the mermaid. It's got so much beautiful things in it. So this is again the Slime World from Sambro. It's the DIY mermaid slime shop bought kit. It includes the reusable container, the clear blue slime, 80 grams, sequins shells, super cute. Holographic glitter right here, and we've got some pearl beads. So again, let's just rip right into the box. Oh my gosh, I think we should do this. Yeah, I think we should. That is so pretty. So let's get rid of our packaging. We've got our holographic glitter, our gorgeous, oh, I didn't know they came out. That's fine. Our gorgeous little seashells right here. Look how gorgeous these are. They're white, but they're so iridescent that when you move them, they're pink. So pretty. And then we have our pearl beads. So adorable. Okay, let's make a slime. So we'll open the lid. Let's look at this gorgeous. This is like sea blue. How pretty. Again, a really sticky, nice texture. But we're going to maybe do the same as they did on the back. So let's see what they did. Okay, they put some really pretty shells in. Just like this. How pretty would this be if this is the slime that you ordered? The slime that you ordered, and this is how it came. I think I would be so super happy. Let's put in some more shells just here at the back. Oh, that is so pretty. And then we need some of our little pearl beads. Oh, I think we have a little bit of slime right there. Oh, this is looking so good. Oh, so pretty. Oh, these little beads are just falling right out of my hands and straight into the slime. We'll just push them in to give them a bit of security. And so the next thing we're going to add is just some of our iridescent glitter. You get a ton of iridescent glitter here. You'll not use all of this in your slime. And we'll just sprinkle it in. And this is our slime. How pretty. Maybe move it off some of the wee pearls. How pretty is that? And then we get to mix it. Look how beautiful that is. This slime seems to be much better texture than the glow in the dark slime. It is still sticky, but it is much stretchier and super pretty. So guys, they are our two shop bought slimes made by Sambro. Highly recommended. I love, love, love the mermaid one. The glow in the dark one, probably not for me, but the mermaid is so beautiful. So, so pretty. Love the fact that you have a reusable container to store your slime so it doesn't dry out. Well, guys, what did you think? Was this a useful video? I hope so. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to catch you next time. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.